Look what your husband caught. Oh, I dropped him. I dropped him. Chill out, little buddy.
Senkos.
I'm gonna fish a little Texas rig. So, take the Senko, and we're going to put it through the tip of the head, punch it out here, push it all the way through, and we're gonna spin it, kind of pull it up a little bit, and then kind of measure where you want the hook to stick out at. Go through there and put the tip in just to make it weedless. Boom. Let's cast in the water. Think that's a fish. There we go. Ooh, look at that. He ate that Senko, baby. Ooh. Ate that Senko. Oh. Oh, look at him. He got a cast in. He got a cast in. You know why? Because when we went fishing, we didn't know what the heck we was doing.
Oh, exactly. We didn't know what we was fishing for. We just put.
There goes one.
That work though, going real slow. That's, you know. There you go. Hey little guy.
Hey little guy, how you doing, buddy? I'm gonna put you back in the water. Just chill out. We'll holler at you. 10 feet in front of us. Oh, there goes one. Fish on, baby. Fish on. Little guy, little guy.
You gotta fart when you cast out.
Got one. You gotta poop when you cast out. You heard the man. Get that release right there. Peace out, little homie. You got one? Oh, we got one over here, baby. We got one over here. Big bro caught a little buddy. What did you catch with him? Oh, is that your worm? I didn't know what that was. I didn't know what that was. Look at this little guy. He's so cute. I mean, you gotta learn how to take him off the hook, bro.
Hey, you know, hey.
Dude, this is like the smallest one ever.
Down up in here, couldn't get it out.
Look what your husband caught. Oh, I dropped him. I dropped him. Chill out, little buddy. Sorry, I dropped you. My bad. Catch that release. Ooh, look at Luke. I caught one. See you later, little buddy.
Senkos.
There we go. Got one. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh man. He was a little guy. He got off. Oh man. Christ team.